Hi there, everybody. How you guys doing? I'm here to make an announcement. In 2026, we will be moving houses, and the portrait stage we are on will be
Chucky, why do you sound different?
What do you mean, Jasper? I sound the same.
No, you don't. You sound different. Like, very different.
Oh, I see. You see, I had a cold, and I just got over it.
No.
What do you mean, no?
There is no way you had a cold for 1 year.
Hey, if Munch can have a cold for 20 years, then I can have one for one.
Pizza? No Munch, no pizza. Get out of here.
Anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, so we...
Wait, did you get a new voice actor?
I don't know. Maybe?
Yeah, you got a new voice actor.
Okay, we ran out of time. Damn it, Jasper, you made us run out of time.
Time? What time?
So anyway, folks, I will catch you later at the next show. Bye-bye, everybody.